want to welcome you all especially today for our beautiful weekly review. It's been an amazing time so far, and we've been able to achieve a lot of success together in this industry. So, and I just want to do the review together with us as usual. I'm going to quickly share my screen. What are we going to be doing today? We're going to look at the successes that we achieved in the course of the week. We're going to look at the errors we made, the entries we took, the decisions we made, and we're going to review it for a better week. One thing these review sessions has done for us is that it has helped us to be able to perfect our skill, perfect our learning. And made us better in the field. Made us better in the field. So here is our TradingView app. Our analysis were done from the 1 week time frame, where we usually take price actions, trend lines, then we move straight to the 24-hour time frame, where we also take price actions, trend lines. We move straight to 4-hour, where our session breaks help us to be able to see the beginning of the week, the first day of the week, and the first two candles that begins the week, of which these two candles helps us to identify the low and the high. The high gives us the buy region, the low gives us the sell region, and then we are able to also take price actions and trend lines before we go straight to the 1 hour time frame. We take price actions as well. Trend lines for 1 hour and 4 hours are usually the same. 24 hours and 1 week are usually the same. So then we go back to the final time frame, which are entry time frame, our 15 minutes time frame. It's on this 15 minutes time frame we take psychological levels. We don't take price actions, we just take psychological levels, key levels, where we believe the bank and the institutions will be coming into the market. So we have these three factors that determined the week entries: news, trend, cycle levels, price actions, pattern, region, and volume. The first entry, which is on a Monday, we couldn't spot the weekly bias. We could only take scalping because the week was just opening, and this is December. Lots of financial institutions are shutting down, closing for the year, and because of that the market is not directional. Market is a little bit slow and a little bit ranging. So but we were able to catch this. Seeing this change of character is a big change of character. After this small change of character, it gave us a confluence here. We looked at news, we looked at the trend. This was the trend for 15 minutes. Then we looked at the price actions. There's a price action line at this level. We look at the psychological level. There's a psychological level at this level. We looked at the region. It was on the sell region, but not fully in the sell region. We looked at volume, and that was able to help us get this entry, which we took: first entry, second entry, third entry. When price had tried this side many times, there was a clear sign that price will not be going on the buy region. So the next day, which was Tuesday, we tried as much as possible to catch think this was still Tuesday. So Tuesday couldn't still give us directional bias. It was on Wednesday price began to give us direction when it broke a particular key level which we're looking at, this price action level and this cycle level. It broke it and came down here, and immediately we went out for 4-hour time frame to catch the trend for the week. Coming to the 4-hour time frame, we looked at the week high, we looked at equilibrium, we looked at the discounts, which is on the strong low. Premium was the week high. We look at what price had done on the premium. Price retested at the premium twice, and that was a double touch. Came down to this level. We looked at change of character. So all we expected was, after this change of character, once price leaves this psychological level, we'll be waiting for it to break the next psychological level before we decide for the trend. So as price broke this psychological level, this became our trend for the week. We were targeting 200 pips, but we finally got 100 pips. That was a major milestone for us in the week. And you can actually blow an account if you're here. Let's say you're here, you're expecting price to come to this level, and price decides to go back to test the psychological level, which it did before coming to obey your movement. That's a complete blow for you. So because of that, you will not be entering. This is why you must be smart when it comes to this trend move that we post on fast time frame. You must be smart to come down to a lower time frame, which is 15 minutes. Even on the 15 minutes time frame, there's still some big moves which can actually blow your account. Imagine taking an entry here, okay, and this Asian high was tried, this London high was tried before price obeys you. This is risky for you, because if you are manipulated and AI for any reason hits your stop loss, you'll be out of the market in big loss. So because of this, instead of taking these entries from 15 minutes immediately, you will have to come down to our 3 minutes time frame to look at exactly what prices are doing at that time. The 3 minutes time frame shows you exactly what's happening at a particular time, gives you a directional move for a smaller time frame, helps you to be able to protect your funds and manage your risk. So you can see that that particular move that came back to test this Asian high, it's been broken down. So if you're looking on the 3 minutes and you're seeing this range, let's say you enter the market here, you see this range, you will be looking out for probably closing this trade, because this range can decide to go up or can decide to come down. So for the best move, you're not going to take the entries immediately, okay? You're going to take immediately. Two things you're going to look in for: the premium and the discount. So when you look at the premium and discounts here, premium is usually here, so that helps you to get this. Premium is usually here, equilibrium is usually, I think this is equilibrium as of the week. So if premium is here, you see this range, you're not waiting to enter, you're waiting for the best price, and this was premium. Then this was manipulated premium. That gives you the good moves. So that was what helped us. We caught these moves, all these moves. We caught it in the course of the week, and we repeated the same thing until this move. It was more than 50 pips. This is like 52 pips. Then we caught this as well. We caught this as well, this move and this move, and then we caught bigger moves, even though we only had to do that with accounts that are not that delicate. So then FP, then it balanced and rebalanced and rebalanced. So these are big moves. So there are also times when you will need to look at the 1 minute time frame to help you see a breakdown of these moves, the premiums, the discounts, so you can be able to catch these moves correctly. So these are the basic things we did for the week, and part of my observation is, like I said, the institutions are shutting down. Unlike before, when we're using our killer zone, the London session gives us, the moment it breaks, like for here, you could see that London could not decide. This was a very slow day. Okay, and then New York for the first time was this small, and New York PM was now bigger than New York AM for the first time. I've never seen this happen before. And then for the next Asian high that was broken, usually London gives us the high for the week, but that was completely manipulated, you see. And it kept on. Now the ranging is so serious that it's like W, keeps going zigzag, 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 zigzag. So the observation now is, from Monday, when we're going to be taking entry, we're going to be awake as early as possible, so that the moment the Asian low has decided where to start the London low or the London high, we're going to catch the low or the high, that move that creates the London. We're going to be targeting it, because that's what actually gives the great move. Immediately after that move is formed, any other move is usually slow. It's usually slow like this. And then the next one is when the New York is formed. There's usually a great move when the New York is formed. Okay? Even the smaller New York AM, New York FM, the yellow one. So that's just the observation for this week. So we're going to do that for December, pending when we come into the year January 2024. Then probably we would now have our killer zones go in the direction that it usually goes and help us to be able to spot market decisions. So these are just the basic things for us for this week. So just in case you want to learn more about this strategy that works, then you will need to see our videos on YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then if you want to do analysis with us, we're going to be live Monday morning 6 a.m. You can join us and we can do this together. Then if you want to be on our free channel group on WhatsApp or Telegram, you can check our page on Facebook and you find the link there, or send us a DM, we'll send you the link. Then if you want to be on our paid page, you can also send us a DM. It's not expensive, it's just $100. You'll be there. Excuse me. And you'll be getting exclusive guide and also getting more accurate signals. For the free page, we just give you the trend. So the free page is for pros who can spot trend and decide what to do. But for the paid page, is for those who are still newbies and might still need some guide on exactly what they should do in the market for them to be able to succeed. So whichever one is your choice, we're looking forward to receiving you most likely Monday again, right? 6 a.m. Until then,